Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover arithmetic operators. There are mainly 5 arithmetic operators. That is, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus or remainder. In the next program, I am going to cover compound operators. There are mainly 5 compound operators. That is, compound addition, compound subtraction, compound multiplication, compound division, and compound modulus or remainder. In the next program, I am going to cover relational operators. There are mainly 6 relational operators. That is less than or equal to, not equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. In the next program, I am going to cover logical operators. There are mainly 3 logical operators, that is an operator, or operator, and not operator. In the next program, I am going to cover conditional operator. Conditional operator is represented as condition, expression 1, expression 2. That is, if condition is true, then expression 1 will be returned, else expression 2 will be returned. In this program, if A is greater than B, then I am printing A. Else, I am printing B using conditional operator. In the next program, I am going to cover bitwise and shift operator. There are mainly 6 operators. That is bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise not, bitwise shift right, and bitwise shift left. In the next program, I am going to cover increment and decrement operator. There are mainly 4 operators. That is prefix increment, or increment and assign, prefix decrement, or decrement and assign, postfix increment, or assign and increment, and postfix decrement, or assign and decrement. In the next program, I am going to cover address of operator. We can get address of variable using ampersand variable name. In the next program, I am going to cover size of variable using size of operator. I have created variables of type integer, float, double, character and string. And I am printing the size of variables using size of operator. In the next program, I am going to cover operator precedence. First precedence is scope resolution. Second precedence is postfix increment and decrement, function call, array subscripting, element selection by reference, element selection through pointer. Third precedence is prefix increment and decrement, unary plus and minus, logical, not and bitwise not, typecast, indirection or dereference, address of, size of, dynamic memory allocation, dynamic memory deallocation. Fourth precedence is pointer to member. Fifth precedence is multiplication, division and remainder. Sixth precedence is addition and subtraction. Seventh precedence is bitwise left shift and right shift. Eighth precedence is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Ninth precedence is relational equal to and not equal to. 10th precedence is bitwise and. 11th precedence is bitwise exclusive or. 12th precedence is bitwise or. 13th precedence is logical and. 14th precedence is logical or. 15th precedence is ternary conditional. Assignment: compound addition, compound subtraction, compound multiplication, compound division, compound remainder. Compound left shift, compound right shift, compound bitwise and, compound bitwise exclusive or and compound bitwise or. 16th precedence is throw operator. 17th precedence is comma. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C++ program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.